Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this solar powered welding mask. I've already been using this for over a month now. So this is how the mask looks. It's a nice durable plastic. You have a knob right here to turn it on. So right now it's set on grind, and then you're able to adjust this to the different levels that you need to bring it to. On the inside, you can see you have a knob for your delay, for sensitivity, and this is where you have your backup battery, and this is your viewing screen right there. You can also adjust it like so. It all depends, and then you can even adjust it here if you want to make it tighter or looser for this thing to come up or down. So this is a great mask to use when you're welding, and it even has a solar panel on top right here to recharge the mask. This works very well whenever that there's a spark, the mask blocks it. So when you're ready to use it, you loosen it on the back here, you put it on your head, and then you tighten it using grip. Once it's comfortable, then you can just bring it down. On here on the sides, this loosens how loose that this goes. So if you want it very loose, you go like this. Right, depending on how you want it. Overall, this is a great mask to have. I like the build quality of it. It works very well. I also like that it has the knob right here to turn it on and off. And I also like how comfortable this feels on the back of your head, even on top. And it has like a sweat band right here, and it's nice and lightweight, yet it's very powerful.